Knit for Hope is a volunteer-driven program at the National Cancer Centre, Singapore. Cancer survivors, caregivers and volunteers come together to knit comfortable hats for patients undergoing treatment at NCCS. For all who have braved the journey of fighting cancer, the NCCS is a familiar place. Founded in 1999, the National Cancer Centre Singapore is the nation's specialty centre for the diagnosis and treatment of cancer and research. With a new 28-story centre slated for completion in 2022, there'll be increased access to cancer treatment facilities for patients.
We're very excited with the facilities that are coming up in the new building. It will be a new 28-story building for which we will have the latest in cell therapy, cancer rehab, cancer education, multidisciplinary facilities and the latest in terms of cancer intervention. But what we are most excited about is our new radiation oncology facility, where we will house the Cheng Liang Proton Therapy Center.
Unlike traditional radiation therapy that targets tumor cells but can also affect healthy tissue, the proton therapy system, or PTS, offers more precise methods in treating tumors.
In normal radiotherapy, we use photon beams. Photons are essentially like light particles. They're very small and they pass through many tissues. They help us hit the tumor, but it also affects tissues after the tumor. With protons are larger particles that we can hurl at incredible speeds with magnets, and so much so that we can focus them on precisely where the tumor is to hit the tumor, but with no radiation after the tumor. So with that, we are able to spare patients a whole lot of side effects that will be associated with radiotherapy.
The cutting-edge cancer treatment, which has been in use in Japanese and American hospitals, including Johns Hopkins, is a milestone for Singapore.
For the past few years, we have been working closely with National Cancer Centre Singapore to fight cancer in Singapore. We aim to be a long-term partner of medical professionals in Singapore and also in the region to build a society in which everyone can live in good health.
Being the first such comprehensive centre in Southeast Asia, the Proton Therapy Centre in Singapore's new NCCS will change the way oncologists treat cancer. It will also provide more treatment choices to cancer patients and greater hope in improving Singapore's cancer survival rates.